video, I'll demonstrate how to separate text or data from one column in a Google Sheet to multiple columns. So this table comes from this Ontario Road Safety Annual Report. It's a table showing collision by driver age groups. I use Tabula to extract this table from the PDF, and I get into PDF table extraction tools in another video if you want to check that out. But if we go back and compare the original table to the table that I extracted and then imported into a Google Sheet, you can see that some of the columns have been squished together into one. So if we look at column C here, it's got the numbers for the collisions by female drivers combined with the column that contained total collisions for male and female drivers. So you can see here, here's male drivers, female drivers, total drivers, but these have been lumped together into one column here. You can see here on to the right other columns that have been smushed together from the original table. This is a really simple one. We just click on the top of the column to highlight it, then go up to Data. From Data, scroll all the way down to Split Text to Columns. So it's got this automatic separator function. Sometimes this works fine, but in this case, it's used, it looks like commas to separate. So it's split up those numbers in the tens of thousands. And if I look again at my original table, I can see how 42 has been separated from 818. So I'm going to choose a space to separate this data. And you've got options depending on what your data looks like. You can use a comma as a separator, semicolon, period, space, or you can customize it. So here, using the space as a separator, I've got my total female drivers involved in a collision, and then total male and female drivers involved in collision in a separate column. And again, that's under Data, Split Text to Columns, and then you choose how you want to separate the data or text within a column. And that's it. Pretty easy.